This is how I imagine Sandra Bullock feels in Bird Box.
What in the world is this? I would say popcorn machine.
It looks like a salad spiralizer.
Rice cooker.
I'm gonna say something for beauty.
A breast pump.
Maybe like a curling iron thing.
So I think this is a hot plate, and you put
Like regular eggs on there to boil them or make them hard?
Steam boil them.
If I got this for a present, I would return it before I even opened it.
It's like that wedding present that people just pass on.
Yeah, or you like modify like a Nerf gun revolver but for eggs.
Something really naughty.
Sushi maker.
I'm Asian, so I guess I can relate with this bamboo tatami mat.
I think this is a sushi
Oh,
roll.
yes.
I need like a visual demonstration. Does it make sense?
You wrap up the rice like this and all the ingredients. And then you put it in here and you just kind of compact it.
Any other ways to use this product?
Or a part of a stormtrooper's body armor.
It's like a plumber's tool or something. I don't know.
It could be a launcher. Yeah! It's pretty freaking legit.
If you guys don't need that after, I totally would take it.
Can we get some sushi now?